But I already said that. Like, I said that. I've published close to 200 videos between my YouTube channels, so chances are I've talked about the same thing more than once. And guess what? No one was mad. I'm sharing with you the 4 reasons why it's okay to make multiple videos on the same subject. On this channel, I talk about all things business cinema, which is video with a plan, a purpose, a system, and a strategy. Not just creating video for the sake of creating videos, but actually creating what I call business cinema, which is the next level video, videos that move your business forward. So if you're interested in learning more about that, make sure to subscribe and then click the bell so you can get notified. Here are 4 reasons why it's okay to repeat yourself in your videos and make multiple videos about the same subject. Firstly, people need to hear things more than once. I think it's like 7 times before it actually sticks. So carry on repeating yourself. 2, the only person who will notice is your super fan because they've watched all your videos and they remember every single thing you've ever talked about in every single one of your videos. Someone who is this level of a fan already loves everything you do, and they don't care if you're talking about the same thing more than once. The 3rd thing is you could perhaps change your point of view or perspective on a subject that you've already covered. It's okay to change your mind about something and then share that again. Then last but not least, perhaps you've learned some new stuff. So for me, I always say the day I stop learning is the day it's over for me. I'm always digging in and learning new stuff about everything and anything related to video, what I teach, and beyond, so that I can add more to the conversation. Here's a bonus tip and an example. The landscape is constantly changing. So maybe a video that you created a year ago is no longer relevant, right? A perfect example of this is I created a video on how to use the categories to organize your subscriptions. Well, then YouTube just got rid of that feature, so the video is no longer relevant. There's a workaround to this, and I'm going to be covering it in a future video, but that's just one example of why it's okay to talk about the same thing multiple times. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this subject? Let me know in the comments below, and remember, you are someone's reason to smile, so never give up.